Okay, so this easy creamy sausage and shrimp is made with, I used Prego instead of making it from scratch. I sauteed red and green bell peppers with onion and gooey sausage, and I added some diced tomatoes with green chilies, seasoned it with Italian seasoning very lightly because it's a very powerful herb, base seasoning, and Cajun seasoning, and I mixed the shrimp with Cajun seasoning and shrimp boil, and then I cooked it until it was pink. And here I have a pot of pasta, water boiling for the pasta. So it's about 30 minutes. This is the fast way to a delicious recipe, and it takes probably 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to make. But like I said, I opted to not make my cream sauce from scratch and just use what's in my cabinet.